Take a ride in the 2021 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, keyless entry, backup camera, universal garage door opener, compass, trip computer, fog lights, clock. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.